So I'm curious, in comparison to the DJI Mic Mini that I currently have on, how this looks in size comparison clipped onto my shirt. Wow, that's pretty minimal. In this video, I'll be doing a first impressions and unboxing of the Lark M2S. Let's dig in. All right, so opening this up, this is what we have. Hollyland card, not exactly sure what that's for. Okay, after sales card, interesting. This looks like the case that everything comes in. And let's see if there's anything else in the box. Yep, like there's a bag with some additional goodies, and that's essentially it. So inside the box, or inside the bag, let's see. You get a nice USB to USB-C cable. You get a 3.5 millimeter headphone cable, some wind muffs for both of the mics, and then a, let's see, iPhone adapter dongle, but I don't have an iPhone in this case. So I wonder if the other one comes included in the bag there. Opening this up. All right. Yeah. Okay, sweet. So that's the USB-C one. Nice. So you do actually get that in the box. And this is the transceiver that you could hook up to your camera using that USB-C cable. And this is a look at the actual mics. Wow. That is wild. That's what the actual mic looks like. Now the back piece is about the standard size of a mini microphone nowadays, but the actual part that's gonna clip onto you is this piece. So dope. So I'm curious, in comparison to the DJI Mic Mini that I currently have on, how this looks in size comparison clipped onto my shirt. Wow, that's pretty minimal. That's pretty minimal. I have to play around with it to figure out how to adjust it or whatnot to the best angle or whatnot, but that is pretty minimal in comparison. Wow, that's pretty dope. To give you a closer look at them side by side. So that is essentially the size comparison between the DJI Mic Mini and the Hollyland Lark M2S. Pretty freaking dope. But folks, that's essentially wraps up the first impressions and unboxing of the Hollyland Lark M2S. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel to stay tuned for future tech tutorials. If you're curious at all about checking this item out, I will have affiliate links in the description. But that's it. Until next time, folks.